All right, so now we're gonna go over our bi-monthly cleaning, so once every other week. So materials we'll need is kind of this flat, like meter stick looking thing, the cleaning towel, and then also the Treadmill lubricant. And it is labeled, and if you're ever running low on it, just talk to Oscar and he'll mix it up for you. So, all right, so first, and this is the funnest one to do, so. All right, so take the meter stick, and you'll lift up the treadmill belt again, go underneath, kind of straighten it out a bit, and then pull the meter stick back out, and then get that towel kind of pulled tight on the side. And I personally always just start at the back, so I always get a good stance on each side of the towel, and then I turn the treadmill on. Is this one actually out of?
Nope, I just put that there to reserve it.
Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I always started off slow on the back. And I just kind of go as far back as I can.
You're just holding it with your
and
feet.
I'm just holding it right there for a bit. All right, and you get to speed up a bit more to about 1.5.
Sorry if I'm making you car sick watching
for
this.
a second, and before moving up, I always stop the treadmill before.
You press the stop button.
Yeah, getting up because I don't want to pull up too far or have the towel being pulled underneath the belt. So then I start it back up. Now you can really kind of get the speed up to about 2 or 2.5, and just slowly work your way up the treadmill.
So he's just scooting his feet forward, moving the towel up.
You kind of sit there for a second, and then make your way back. And then you can stop. Step off the treadmill, pull it out from underneath the belt, and then you notice all the gunk. And then I take the treadmill lubricant, lift underneath the belt, and spray directly underneath the belt on both sides.
I'm not getting up, so they're gonna see your.
You're fine.
Okay.
And then once you get that done, I get on, start the treadmill back up. Walk on it for a second. And then I stand on the side and get my foot to kind of spread it throughout the belt.
Sorry.
evenly. And usually while I'm cleaning all of the treadmills, I usually do them all at once. I usually just leave them running for a second, just so everything's good and lubed up. And then once you're done letting it go, you take your other cleaning towel and just wipe up the rest of the lube that's coming up through the sides.
Otherwise, you'll have a mess the next day.
Usually, whenever your treadmills are pretty lubed up, and if they're running dry, you'll know because you'll come in the next morning and you'll either see lube right there on the side, or it'll just be dry. So that's when you know it's kind of time to get them lubed. Or whenever you're walking on it, it feels sticky. So, yeah.
All right.